In this video, we'll take a look at how to enable client payments via PayPal in your SimplyBook.me account. Let's start by navigating to the Custom Features page, enabling Accept Payments if you haven't enabled it yet, and going to its settings. We can access payment system settings here or from the Payments menu on the left. Click PayPal to input your business account email into the respective field. If you want to use refunds, recurring, vaulted, or card payments, go to developer.paypal.com, Apps and Credentials to retrieve the necessary API keys. Notice I'm using the Sandbox mode for demo purposes. However, you will need to make sure you're in live mode for everything to work properly. Locate NVP SOAP API since this is the required protocol, and copy the credentials to the relevant fields in SBPayMe. In order to use recurring or vaulted payments, please reach out to PayPal with the request to enable reference transactions for your account. Once enabled, you can check the box for reference transactions. Save changes once you're done. We highly recommend using this method as it supports recurring and vaulted payments. If you want to use PayPal checkout, you can activate it in SBPayMe and use the REST API credentials from developer.paypal.com, Apps and Credentials. If you found this video helpful, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel as well as follow our social media pages below. Thank you for choosing SimplyBook.me.